Hi guys, in the last video we have seen two things. One is Java compiler and what is Java runtime environment. Okay, so Java compiler, what it does, it was converting the .java file to the .class file, and the .class file is the machine readable code, and then Java runtime environment is exactly running that particular file and generating the necessary output if there is anything. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see means how Java is exactly running a particular program. Okay, so what is the starting point? That is the question. Okay, so let me just go to the command prompt, and we had this file demo.java, and it is under learn Java. This one, this directory. So we have .java file demo.java, and it has this code. Okay, so when I will do Java C and demo.java, so what it is doing, it is creating a dot class file for me, and that dot class file is a bytecode. Okay, and this bytecode I can run through Java command. I don't need to give the extension. So see, it is printing hello there. So our question is how exactly this line is getting printed and how Java knows this particular program. Okay, so to understand this, let's first go to the Java installation directory. Sorry, Java installation directory. Sorry, program files, and we have Java, and here we have JDK, and inside the bin we have this Java executable, and this Java executable is exactly running our program, right? This Java executable, and this Java C is compiling our program, which is this one, which is generating the bytecode of this .java file. Okay, means .class file it is generating from the .java file. So how this Java file, okay, means generating the bytecode is a different process, right? It is just taking this particular code, taking this particular code and then generating a bytecode out of it. Okay, now what if, and now after generating the bytecode, this particular executable is running my program. So how this particular executable knows how to run this program, means how to run this program. So between this executable file and between the Java code we have written, there is a contract. And what is the contract? That whatever code you want to means execute, you need to write it in inside this particular format. Forget about these keywords for now. Means there is a contract between this particular executable and this particular curly braces. Inside this class, there is a class called demo, and inside the class there is a method. We call it method. Okay, we will see later means what exactly is method, what exactly class, but for now just focus on the point that we need this signature for starting our program. Okay, so as we have seen, when we were running this file, so it is giving me this output hello there, because we have a correct method signature which is a contract with the this Java executable file. Okay, so suppose let me just change it a bit. Let me just remove this braces and see what exactly is happening. I didn't means change anything means much in this code. I just removed these braces. Okay, whatever braces was there. So let's see if compiler is complaining or not about this particular class now. Let me remove this dot class file first. So it will be generated by the compiler. So let me compile this class again, demo.java. So see, there is no error, right? This dot class file is generated again. Okay, means uh, from the compiler's perspective, this code is perfectly fine. Now let's try to run this program. Java demo. Okay, demo dot class file I am running. And now see, it is complaining main method not found in the class demo. Okay, it means it is necessary to provide this particular method here, means this particular signature here. If I will change anything in this signature, my program will not work. So let's see. I have removed these curly braces, right? Now I have added the curly braces. Now let me change the name of the method. Name is main, right? So now change it to main one. And let's see if compiler is complaining now. Java, C, okay, demo.java. Compiler is again not means complaining. But let me try to run this program again. So see, still it gave me the error main method not found. It means Java means executable, which is exactly running our program, needs this exact method signature. Why it needs the method signature? Because see, any program has a entry point, right? How you will create the entry point? How does this executable know the entry point? So there should be some contract, right? Otherwise means suppose you are building a house, okay, and means you can't just generate a random entry point, right, at random time. You need to create a gate and you will say that this is my entry point of the house. So that's exactly is happening here. This Java executable has already written in their documentation that this will be my entry point. If you will give anything else other than this as an entry point, I will not consider it. I will think that I don't have an entry point, so I will not start your program. So that exactly is the theory there. Okay. So this Java executable needs this entry point. So this main method is really important. Why? Because this is the entry point of our means our code, whatever we have written. So let me just keep the method signature same. Now let me change hello there again. Let me write it. Okay. Now let me go here. Let me again compile this file and now let me run it. So see, hello there and hello there again, right? So it is running fine. So whatever code I am running means keeping inside this method, inside this method, this signature, it is getting executed. So means this method is really important from the perspective of running our program, means because this is the starting point of our program. And why this is the starting point? Because it is a contract with this particular executable file. So you have to keep that in mind. So whatever code you will write inside this signature, that code will be executed because means a method, because the code execution will start from this point, and after this whatever is written, it will do the processing. So in the next lecture, what we will do, we will keep this class name and this method name exactly the same. We will just do something here, okay, and we will see everything like variables and the access specifier, whatever means are there. Okay, we will try to see this point. But now you need to understand that this is our entry point and we can't change it because this is a contract with our Java executable. Thank you.